This is our block diagram. First, now I'm showing you the implementation of for loop, sorry, while loop. Okay. So for that, we need to right click on the block diagram. We need to go to structures under which for loop is available. Just encircle the part which you want to cover under while loop and drop the click button. Okay. You see, as I told you, there are two parameters coming with while loop. One is the index I and another one the control. Agree? थोड़ा fast बोलना देखो बाबा मेरे को. I want your response fast.
Yes, sir, agree.
Yeah, there are two parameters coming. The moment we place the while loop, one is the iteration number, another one control. You see, when we do this thing, the arrow is looking to be broken. It means that our wiring is not completed. There is nothing now. There is no code we have written over here. Now I'm putting a small amount of code into the place of code. So I'm right clicking here, taking a numeric function, add, right, and adding a data random number generator. It is available in numeric. This is random number generator. So what I am doing is, one of the input to this adder is random number generator. The second input is some constant 1 or 0.1. Okay, so I'm adding an indicator to the function output, which is, this is x, this is y, this is x plus y. Still you observe the arrow is looking to be broken. Is it clear? So it means that your code is having some syntax error. So that is nothing but there is no input connected to the controller. I told you there are two ways a while loop can accept the control. One is for this radiant button, red in color. Another one is this one. When we click on this thing, we will get different option. You see this thing. I'm clicking on this. Okay, okay. I right click and change to this thing. Continue if true. Okay. Now the control is looking to be different one. Is it clear?
Yes, clear.
Yeah. Now I'm moving back to the earlier controller. Now there is a need to add control to this thing. I'm simply adding a control to this. Right click here, create control. Now you see the broken arrow become formed arrow. It means that there is no syntax error in our code. So this particular code will execute this code how many times? Infinite number of times. But what is the condition? The condition is, unless we press this stop button, it is going to continue running this code. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if suppose we wanted to know it is executing this code how many times, so we can take the help of this iteration. Right click here, create indicator. So this particular output will tell us how many times this while loop is getting executed. Okay, now I'm trying to run this code. Plus E. Control plus E is used to toggle between front panel and block diagram. So we'll arrange this outputs and this control. Okay, now they are arranged. I will increase this font size, select, go to size and select the size. I think it is looking visible. Yes,
Yes, sir.
I will change this numeric to index or iteration. Iteration, iteration. Just observe. Now I am not pressing the double arrow for run. I am just pressing single arrow for run. This is single run request. So due to which the code runs till we press this stop button. Okay, just observe this. One moment, I will expand this. Okay, now I am pressing this single arrow. You see the number of time iteration is running is looking to be increasing, even though we executed the code just once. Stop the running again, start running. It will continue from the last number. इसका भी थोड़ा font size बढ़ा देता हूं मैं. You see, it is exponentially, it is increasing, it is growing. So it means that while loop will continue executing unless control stop its. If it is clear, then you please make a
Yes,
note
sir.
of this code, make a note of this code and try this when you get access to the software. एक बार मैं क्या करूंगा मालूम है? I will show you the 1 second. I will show you the running and show you what happen if we stop with the help of stop. Now I stop. The execution is stopped. Again start running. It run from the last number iteration. Iteration is getting added. It's not starting from zero. That is the point we need to observe. So which type of control this is? Stop if true. Which type of control it is? How to know this thing? Right click here. We will get to know. Stop if true. The execution stop if true signal is given. If you want to change this to continue if true, then scenario will be entirely different. If it is taken, then I will show you what happen if we change the.
सर
Yeah,
सर ये थोड़ा इंक्रीज करिए ना सर ये फॉन्ट ये
ये वाला, ये और इंक्रीज करूं,
ये सर ये एक्स प्लस वाई के नीचे ये बॉक्सेस है ना सर लेफ्ट साइड पे
ये वाला,
सर.
this one.
यस सर.
1 second, 1 second, 1 second. Is it clear now?
सेम ओनली.
There is nothing much in this code. There is nothing much. See here, I'm using a adder to which two inputs are connected. This is random number generator. And this is constant 0.1. Okay, after addition, the result is observed on this indicator x plus y. Still it is not clear.
क्लियर सर.
Okay. Okay, can I show you the other control?
यस प्लीज.
Yeah. So when you observe like this arrow, it means that broken arrow. It means that there is syntax error available in our code. The procedure to get rid of this all broken wires, use the shortcut Control plus B. I repeat, If you want to get rid of this broken wire, which is because of syntax error, we need to press Control plus B. Please make a note of this. Now, what I am doing is I am changing this control from stop if true to continue if true, and adding a control after that. Okay. Then you can see the running of this. Unless this is high, the code is not going to continue. I will show you this once more. You see, it is now blinking. What do you mean by blinking? It is true now. It is on now. Make it off and try to run. Code is not running. Try to make it on or true and try to running. Try to run. You see code is running. So it means that the code run if logic 1 is given and the code stop if logic 0 is given. Check your notes. That only is written. Is it clear? Is it clear or should I repeat this?
Clear, sir.
Yeah, thank you. If you want to know the status, whether this is on or not, in on off form, then right click, visible atom, select the option Boolean text. Then you observe here the text is coming on the button. The button is now looking to be on and we can make it off. Now it is off. When we run the code, if control is off, while loop won't execute. क्या लिखे हुआ है यहाँ देखो? What is the thing written in the control? Continue if true. So if control is 1, then only while loop continue running. If control is 0, while loop stop running. That is the reason we need to give control by default one signal. From the control we need to give one signal or on signal. Then only if you request for run, it will